In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can change your name on Google Meet. So there's no way that you can change your name just for a specific meeting or things like that. You will need to change your whole name across your Google account. So to do that, you tap on your profile icon at the top right. Then you would tap on manage your Google account and make sure that you're logged into the correct account that you want to change the name for. Tap on manage your Google account. And then you want to tap on the second tab, which is personal info. And then underneath the name section, you want to go ahead and tap on that. And you can go ahead and change your first name and your last name. So if you go ahead and change your name, once it's changed, all you need to do is tap on the blue save button and your name will be changed across Google Meet and across your Google account. And it can take up to 1 hour or a couple of hours to change. So if this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.